Hi, my name is Martin Hudak and I'm International Bartender of the Year and Beverage Consultant for Avalon Waterways. Today at home in quarantine, I want to show you how to make easy cocktail for yourself, your friends or family. You will need some mixing glass, fill up with the ice or any kind of vessel when you can stir your ingredients together. Over your ice, which is very cold out of freezer, you're gonna put very unusual ingredients which all of you might having at home and using for salads. We're gonna use vinegar. You can use balsamic vinegar, darker better. So just 1 spoon of balsamic vinegar inside of your mixing glass. I have this beautiful sherry aged vinegar. Give it this acidity and fruitiness at the same time. Another ingredient is gonna be rum. I like dark rum, so if you have something darker at home, more tropical and heavier, feel free to use it. So we're gonna add 1 part of dark rum. That's gonna be 30 ml, so about 1 ounce. Equally same amount of Campari, Italian bitter. So 30 ml, 1 ounce. And 30 ml of aromatized wine, vermouth, which you can very easily find in any store. So it's basically wine infused with botanicals and herbs. So 30 ml as well, 1 ounce. So equal parts of all main ingredients and 1 spoon of vinegar. We're gonna stir it over ice and we're gonna serve it straight up as a sort of Manhattan martini style. The DNA of the drink is Negroni, which is classic Italian cocktail from 1919. Very nice digestive and aperitif at the same time. But I tweak it and instead of gin, which is normal for Negroni, I'm using tropical rum and as well balsamic vinegar. Make sure when you do new creations like this one, you're gonna try it and see how it tastes. Beautiful. We're gonna pour it in the glass. And we're gonna garnish it with fresh orange peel. So if you have any citrus at home, orange or lemon or grapefruit, just peel it like this, and put it on top. Zest it from distance, all over. Don't wrap the glass, otherwise it will be too bitter, and drop it inside. So this is my new creation for you called Quarantini, and hopefully you'll enjoy them at home, and hopefully soon you will enjoy outside of home through the journey on Avalon Waterways. So cheers.